Welcome to Tutor Online, where learning is fun and exciting. Hi buddies, welcome back to Tutor Online. Today we are going to learn about the many ways we use water every day. Let's learn about all the ways we use water. Water is used for drinking, for taking shower, mopping the floor, washing clothes, brushing teeth, cooking food, watering the plants, cleaning, washing fruits or vegetables. Firefighters use water for extinguishing fire. A farmer also needs water for the agriculture. Water is also needed for all the animals. Students, water is so important for us and the world around us. Let's always remember to use it wisely. See you next time. Till then, goodbye.